Here's Nana BTS, Soy 6, LE, and go this way, it's Soy 6, that's where we're going. Okay, that's where we're staying, the PARKROYal Hotel Sukhumvit on Soy 6. Nana Soy 4 is just down there, and Soy 8 is just there, and Sukhumvit Road is just down there. Alright, let's go check in. I'm recording on my phone for the first time. I usually use a GoPro. This time I'm using my phone. Anyway, we've got a golf cart to take you around where we want to go. Hello, no, it's all good. I can take it, thank you. So this is the front entrance. Then we've got a cafe, bar, restaurant in front. I have to wait about 2.5 hours to check in. Let's go check out the local area. We're going to walk down Soy 6 towards Soy 4, otherwise known as Nana. And it's going to check out some local wildlife, some bars, and just the local area near the hotel. The PARKROYal is behind the Landmark Hotel. I've stayed at the Landmark a few times. So I'm just trying out this new hotel. Anyway, Soy 4, Nana, is right here. If you know Nana, you know Nana. Right, let's go check out some bars. 2 hours of checking. So basically Sukhumvit 6 cuts through from Soy 4 to Soy 8. And that's where the hotel is located. This is Nana Soy 4. All the bars starting to come up from here all the way down. Good, how are you? Right. You watch another video of Soy 4 I've done. No need to go all the way down. BTS line right there. About 6 hours, it's supposed to be jumping. Gonna be drinking my favourite bar just up here. The food, beer, to the pool. I'm gonna go check in. So just some reference, Hooters is right here. Sukhumvit Road is just there. Nana Plaza is 40 metres that way. Shit, I forgot the vote. Let's go to the Landmark Hotel where the Australian Embassy has their voting booth set up. Vote no.
I mean, the other option is you can call the AC and see if they can locate your details.
Okay, so I just checked in now. They wanted a 5,000 baht deposit. You can pay cash or card. never pay with a card when you give a deposit, but sometimes it takes 3 or 4 months to get back. Always pay cash.
Sauna on the 8th floor.
I told them 5,000 baht was a bit much, so I just gave them 3. They were happy with that. Anyway, let's check in.
We have a look at the room. Anyway, stuff. Looking forward to this. Okay. First impression, it smells like cigarettes. What do you think? So, a little bit of a lounge. Big king bed. Has a balcony. Little kitchenette. Little fridge. Big telly. Bathtub. Bath. Shower. Another shower. Bum gun. Bum gun. It's got all the amenities, sanitary bag, hair, shower cap. It's quite good actually. That's what you look at in the morning. Welcome to Bangkok. So that's Soi 6, that's where we come up. Soi 8 is just over there. Let's look at the balcony. Beautiful balcony. Very nice rooms, very nice. A little bit of a smell of a smoke. So I think someone smoked inside this room before. Other than that, really, really good. Really good. The robes, iron board, dryer, room safe, emergency torch, Wi-Fi, complimentary water. It's like an Airbnb. Everything that you need for a long stay. Unfortunately, none of that is free. And it's got a pantry with a washing machine. So it's got everything. All right, fantastic room. Very impressed, and hope you enjoy. I'll show you the pool and the gym later. Actually, let's go have a look now. Go check out the pool and the sauna. So the pool and the sauna is on the 8th floor. Alright, to get to the pool, there's our card access. Right, check out the sauna. I'm sure there's a light somewhere, but anyway. Oh, tunnel. Okay, beautiful. Gym on the 11th floor. It's pretty small. It's got everything in there. Pretty good. Got a little outdoor area here. You have a smoke after you run on the cardio machine. I'm in the army after smashing yourself at the gym or PT in the morning, physical training. You would come back, load up on wingdings and chocolate milk in Darwin, have 3 or 4 cigarettes before going to work. Anyway, pretty good hotel. They're just checking out. I went down to reception and said the place smells of cigarettes, so they're going to check it out now, see what eventuates. Still stay there, but I hate cigarettes now after smoking for 12 years, but not a bad hotel. Right, let's go back upstairs. Right, they've got these meeting rooms. I have no idea what they are. Let's have a look. I don't have access. The little conference rooms. Doesn't matter. Okay, just heading back to the 16th floor to my room. And that's a tour of the hotel. Okay, all in all, pretty good. Yeah. Any questions? Anything you want to ask about the area? The area is fantastic. The area is why I'm in this hotel. Soi 6 here runs between Soi 8 over here and Soi 4 behind me. BTS station is right there. You can see the train. Nana station. Everything is so close. Everything is very close to this hotel. But it's off a back street. It's off Circumnavigate Road on a back street that runs parallel to Circumnavigate Road. And the price is pretty good. It's like I stayed at Landmark, and Landmark is an older building, not as good as this. This is more renovated, and this is, you know, 10,000 baht cheaper for the 5 nights I'm staying. All right, any questions, let me know. Enjoy, and hooroo.